Hello. God, this somehow feels like a high pressure moment, because this is the point of the set where I introduce the next song. But for the past few nights, my English humour hasn't really carried. I offered my used chewing gum to the crowd last night.
Yeah, that
and
would
work. It was like tumbleweed. So maybe I'll stay dignified. This next one's called Things. It's a new one.
Tell you, but it's all